Hey, what's up guys, this is Rajesh and you're watching inpput.outpput campus. So today in this video we'll discuss about React Fragment. So what is a React Fragment and how we can use this React Fragment and what is the benefits of using a React Fragment. Okay, so first of all I have created a file here that is my app, and inside this app.js component you can see here we have write some text inside this. H2 element is wrapped inside this div, so we can write here multiple elements like h3, like the video, and you can see here this is working fine as we have wrapped this h2 and h3 with this div element. Okay, so now if we inspect element from the browser, you can see here inside this div element of our div root there will be some child div which we have right here this div, and inside this div you can see h2 and h3, and you can see h2 and this is h3. Okay, so this div is necessary. So if we return multiple components, then as a wrapper we need some div. But what's the problem? The problem is this div takes some space and creates a node inside the DOM. So in React we have alternative to this. We can wrap this h2 and h3 without this div. So how we can do that? We can do that using fragment. So just remove this div from here and just left it empty, and this is called fragment. Just save it and you can see here the wrapper div has gone. Still it wraps h2 and h3 and there is no error is showing. So now the extra node to the DOM is not created. You can see here there is no extra node for wrapping these h2 and h3 is not created. Still our work is done very smoothly. Okay, so there are multiple ways to wrap with fragment. We can write here fragment, and for that you have to import fragment from React. So how to import? Just import fragment from React. Okay, and then write this here and save it, and it's compiled successfully. And if you go to the browser you can see still it's working fine and there is no extra node is created in the DOM. Okay, so if you want you can remove this line from here, just comment it, and you can directly use this fragment from React. So for that write here react.fragment and save it. Okay, there is one error. So what is the error? React is not defined. Just give your dot and then write this fragment and save it, and we are getting this error. So what's the problem? So the problem is we have used fragment from React, but we have not imported React from this React. So React is not recognized by our application. So we have to import React from React. So just import React from React. Okay, and save it, and you can see compiled successfully. And if you go to the browser and refresh this, you can see here all the errors is gone, and inside this div you can see here there is no extra div is created, and h2 and h3 are written successfully. So when we'll do our upcoming projects, we'll use this fragment or this empty fragment. Okay, so we will not use div here, we'll use fragment or this empty fragment here for our upcoming projects. Okay, so this is good practice, and hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. So if you find this video helpful, then please like the video and share it with your friends. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.